Today there has been two aircrafts in the UK having SQ7700. The first one is a 737-800 with the registration of GTOY. It had token of from Cardiff heading to Paphos, but shortly after takeoff it turned around. Now it seems like it's making an emergency landing at Birmingham. And it seems like it has a fire problem or potentially a bird strike. Yeah, look there, it's a fire engine. Like 6 waiting for one small aircraft. Doesn't seem like there's much delays. Second one is a 777-200 from Heathrow to San Francisco. Yeah, a long flight. It has a registration of N788UA, and it is nearly 30 years old. Not sure what's the problem for this. If you do know PLS, comment down below. That's all for today. Subscribe!